First navigate to the file and select open. Select this background image, click open. Now go to the file and choose place embedded. Select this orange PNG image, hit place. Hold the Alt button and reduce the image size like this. Press enter. Now press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Hide the top layer. Select the middle layer. Now take the elliptical marquee tool and select the orange like this. Hold the Alt button and click on the Add Layer Mask option below. Then go to the file and choose Place Embedded. Select the orange half image, hit place. Now adjust the image like this. Press enter. Expose the top layer. Right click on this layer and choose Rasterize layer. Now go to the image, adjustments and choose desaturate. Go to blend modes and choose screen. Open image, adjustments and choose levels. Adjust the input shadow and highlight levels like this. Press OK. Click on the Add Layer Mask option. Take the brush tool, set the foreground color to black. Increase the brush size using the right bracket. Now mask the bottom area like this. Select the bottom mask layer, set the foreground color to white, then expose the leaf and stem like this. Now select the top layer, go to the adjustment layer options and choose color lookup. Here select crisp warm look. Let's see the final result.